MatchTrader versus Metatrader 5. Which trading platform is better for you? Metatrader 5, MT5 is the industry standard. It's packed with advanced charting tools, automated trading via expert advisors, and supports multiple assets, forex, stocks, and futures. It's widely adopted with a huge community and broker support. If you want depth, flexibility, and proven reliability, MT5 is hard to beat. MatchTrader, on the other hand, is newer and designed for simplicity. It's web-based, lightweight, and focuses on user-friendly execution. Traders like its clean interface, fast order placement, and mobile-first design. But it doesn't have the same depth of indicators, automation, or third-party integrations that MT5 offers. So which is better? If you're a professional or algorithmic trader, MT5 wins for its power and ecosystem. If you're a beginner or casual trader who values simplicity and speed, MatchTrader is easier to use. So MT5 is the heavyweight champion and MatchTrader is the lightweight contender built for accessibility.